like to meet the most?
Robin van Persie.
And is he your favourite and why?
He's a favourite because he scores really good goals for Man United.
And did you watch the game yesterday? Did you see his goal?
Yeah, they were very good goals.
So when Robin comes here, are you going to talk to him? Have you rehearsed what you're going to say?
Not really, no. I haven't realised what I was going to say. But I knew I want his autograph though.
So are you going to get what are you going to get signed? Did you bring anything?
Well, I've got my shirt, yeah, I want that signing. Calendar, and I've got some football cards. And lots of things I want signing. By the time I signed all my stuff, he'll have handache. Really will. Won't be able to play the next game.
And are you going to get pictures taken as well?
Yeah,
And who would you like to get your picture taken the most, apart from Robin van Persie?
Wayne Rooney.
Is he your second favourite?
Yeah.